our goal and our vision is how do we connect people, opportunities, and capital to innovate financial services for global impact. But the most important thing is how do we bring people together in the real world? And I think we've achieved this today here in Zurich, here on the MS Albis, as we are connected over 60 people that are enablers, that are innovators, that are investors. And the great thing is when we're already docked and people still are on the boat, it shows the value and the connectivity that we're seeing as part of this event.
The future is very bright for the fintech industry, and we are proud to continue our support of the sector with the sponsorship of FinTech Connector.
You can't solve the problems of the world by yourself and alone, so it's really important to join a bigger community. And I think FinTech Connector has a great way to connect knowledge and capital and technology together.
Yeah, so I'm Fabian. I'm the host of this first FinTech Connector lunch cruise here in Switzerland. So if you want to be part of it, join us next year. We will be back in Switzerland. You can join us as a guest or as a sponsor. If you are interested, just reach out to us.
I just stay on the quota today, so why join the Navy when you can be a pirate? So I'm proud and happy to be a pirate at this FinTech Connector cruise.